Today our topic is mean and mode. I will tell you how to calculate mean and mode in a very easy way. First of all, see the definition. Mean, what is mean? The mean is the average of all the numbers. Now, how to calculate mean? It is really very easy to calculate mean. First you add up all the numbers, then divide by total number of data points. Now here you can see the example. What is the mean of these numbers? 6, 4, 9, 5. First you will add up all the numbers. The total is 24. Then you divide. How many numbers are these? Only 4. So you divide 24 by 4 and you will get 6 as a mean. Now what is mode? The mode is simply the number which appears most often in a set of numbers. For example, here you can see 6, 2, 9, 3, 3, 5, 9, 3. Remember, to find the mode, it is best to put the numbers in order. Here you can see 3 is repeating most often. So in this example, 3 is the mode. Now, there may be more than one mode. We can have more than one mode. For example, you can see here 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 3 times and then 8. 2 appears 3 times and does 6. So there are 2 modes, 2 and 6. Having 2 modes is called bimodal. Having more than 2 modes is called multimodal. Let's take more examples. Find the mean and mode for each of the following sets of data. For means, give your answer to the nearest whole unit. Now, first example is grain sold to a trader. Here you can see the data in the picture. Okay, weight per bag of grain, 50 and 55, then 60 kg, then 65 kg, then 70 kg, and so on. Then 100 kg is the last example. Then number of bags are 3, 50 kg, 3 bags, 55 kg, 6 bags, 60 kg, 8 bags, and so on. For this, we calculate the mean and mode. First of all, I will tell you what is the mode here. Here you can see which number is more repeating most often. It is 85. So you can say that mode is 85. Here you can see that 85 repeats 10 times and other numbers repeat less than 10 times. So 85 is the mode. Now how to calculate mean? You will multiply every weight with the number of bags. Suppose in the first column there are 50 kg weight, you will multiply it by 3 bags. So 55 kg, there are 6 bags of 55 kg. There are 8 bags of 60 kg. So you will multiply each weight with the number of bags, as I have done in the example. You can see, and then add up all these numbers. After adding, you will get 4105 kg total. Then total weight. Then you will divide it by total number of bags. They are 57. So you divide 4105 by 57, you will get 72.01. As in the question it was given that you will write the mean in a nearest whole unit, so you will give its answer in a whole unit, that is 72 kg. Now come on the next example. Now calculate the mean for children's height. There are children of different height and number of children according to that. As so 4 children have 100 centimeter height, 11 have 105 centimeter height. So there are different number of children and they have different height. First of all, calculate the mode. Here you can see which number is repeating most often. It is upon 115, which is repeating 19 times. So that means 19 children have weight 115. So it is mode here 115. Now how to calculate the mean? You will multiply height with the number of children as 100 multiplied by 4. Then you add up. Then 105 multiplied by 11, then you add up, just like this, as you can see in the slide, that you will add up all the numbers, multiply and add all the numbers, and then you will get 11,925 centimeter. Then how many number of children are here? There are 100. I have add up all the number of children here. Then I divide now 11,925 total height by total number of children, which is 100. So I get 119.25 mean, as we have to write in whole unit, so it is 119 centimeter. Let's take the other example. Time taken to run around a field. Here is time mentioned here, which is in fraction form as well. 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 8, 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, and 10. And number of children are there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 8, 6, 5, 3, 3, 1, 0, 1. So you will calculate the mean just as we have done before. First, calculate the mode. Which is the mode? It is here you can see 6.5 repeating most often, so it is called the mode 6.5. And now come how to calculate the mean. Multiply time by number of children, as time is 4 minutes, and number of children once, then multiply by 1, then 4.5, then multiply by 2. You can write instead of fraction, you can write in decimal form as well for calculation. Now here you can see I have add up all the numbers and then divided by number of children, then I get the mean. Here total time is 266 minutes, and number of children are 40, so I get 6.65, and whole unit 7 minutes. I hope you understand it today how to calculate mean and